It is early in the morning. This is Friday, July 10th, and I am going to get my son because I have to take him to work. It is currently just before 6 a.m., like 10 till or something like that. So I gotta go grab him. I need to drop him off at work, and he's in the very busy Route 30 corridor. Tons of restaurants, huge Walmart zone. I think I counted like 7 Walmarts in that zone. I'm not gonna visit them all, but I'll probably be back in North Huntington because that's the general area where my son works. Around there, between there and Greensburg, probably. So, anyhow, we're gonna go pick him up. I'm not filming any of that. And then I will be back with you once I have him dropped off and I'm logged into the apps. And right now there is a promotion until 8 a.m. It is $6 extra per qualifying order. So when I drop him off, it'll give me an hour to maybe do an order, maybe 2 orders out of Walmart to get an extra $6 each. Pretty quick shop for questioning my life choices. Again, so much heavy stuff in this order. I did bring my wagon. My wagon can handle heavier stuff than the shopping cart that I have at home, but I got my bins. Okay, let's go check out. Like this is all soda, or in southwestern Pennsylvania we call it pop. I mean, this is like insane, to be perfectly honest. Okay, we're all loaded. I didn't actually record the drop off, carrying all those 2 cases of water, all those cases of pop and everything, because there was a gentleman there. He came out of his apartment, he lived in the other apartment, to have a cigarette, and he helped me out. He helped me take to the 3rd apartment. There was just a few steps to the porch, not very many, maybe 5 or 6 steps, that's it. But he helped me carry the groceries in. But I do have a screenshot of that drop off. So what I'm doing now, I am heading back to that Walmart that I was just at. You know, part of me thinks I should go to Greensburg because there are so many orders out of Greensburg, not as many out of North Huntington, but we're going back to North Huntington. I just accepted a curbside pickup at the Walmart in Greensburg on UBEREATS. I'm trying to remember. I want to say it was 2609 or something like that. I can't remember. I forgot to screenshot it. I mean, UBEREATS was just blowing up my phone. So we're gonna go ahead and head to Greensburg. I know that this is going to be 2 orders. I have no idea how large they are because this is on Uber Eats. We're going to wait and see how long it takes them to bring the order out to me. So we've got orders back here. And none of these orders seem to be too bad as far as size is concerned, which I am good with. There's 3 orders. There's that one. There's this one, which I got to scan. And then I've got one in the front seat. Confirm pickup. It's similar, but a little bit different than the Spark app. But we're done, and let's go. Okay, I could not record that.
Exit the parking lot toward Rosalind Street.
Oops. I could not record that drop off because she was outside waiting and it required a signature and stuff like that, so I didn't turn the camera on. But we're off to the final delivery of this batch, and I'll see you there. This is also a customer signature required, so I'm going to turn you off. Okay, now we got that dropped off. Now on Uber Eats again, I'm picking up at Giant Eagle. Here's the card. I want to try to work my way back to North Huntington.
Turn right onto Bayno Way, then at the next stop sign,
and try to do some more Walmart. Unless Uber Eats wants to be good and keep me busy. That's the order. Decent sized one too. Okay, so this drop off is less than 5 miles. It's 4.8 from here. And it says it's going to take 13 minutes to get there. Decent sized order, as you saw. And it's taking me back to Greensburg, which means I'll be back close to the Walmart. So hopefully I can pick up another Spark order. Today seems to be going pretty well. So let's keep the money rolling. We are in town in Greensburg. Wasn't expecting to come this far. I had no idea. But there's the courthouse and the jail to the left. Uber Eats has been really busy and is sending a crappy order right now. As you can see, it doesn't shut up, and I'm looking at it and it's the same order. Wanted to go $8 for 13 miles. I don't think so. But that missing offer, that missing order that I didn't screenshot was $26.06. Another curbside through Uber Eats for the North Huntington Walmart. I was traveling back there anyhow. I was a good 10 or 11 miles away from the Walmart. That's why the miles seem high. On paper it doesn't look good, but for me it makes sense because I was traveling this way. And Uber includes a time traveling to the Walmart plus to the customer. 2 orders, one in the back seat, one in the trunk. One in the trunk is larger, probably going to use my wagon. Let's keep fingers crossed that the back one doesn't have there's not some kind of steps I have to climb apart, like apartment or anything. The one in the back is a smaller order, but it does have a case of water. But let's go get these delivered. Okay, well, I ended up 45 minutes away from North Huntington over this one. A little over an hour. For the money, not really.
At the stop sign, onto Shannon Heights Drive.
It was one of them things where I was like, why did I take this order? I should have known better. I should have passed it. I did turn off UBEREATS. I mean, it was driving me crazy just for now. So I'm 45 minutes away. I'm heading back to North Huntington. I'm gonna grab some food, maybe get another order or two before I have to pick up my son. This order alone kind of derailed my whole day because I'm under $100 and it's 12 o'clock. So, not the best. I've done better.
At the stop sign, turn right onto Shannon Road.
It is what it is. I got to see another area a little bit the other day until it took me back to my home zone. That's when I had to drop my son off at work, but his wife picked him up. I was trying to stick around, but somehow I got way, way, way out.
3/4 of a mile.
Okay, I will see you back here in a bit. Well, I am stopping for lunch. I'm about 7 miles from North Huntington. And I was going to go to Denny's or get something at Walmart. But I see these Charlie's Philly steak wings and cheesesteaks. I'm going to try it out. Never been here. Hello. California chicken and peach lemonade. I've already tried this. This is really, really good. I can't wait to try this. Well, I spent more hours away from the house than I have at home today. So, after I had my lunch, I got back to Walmart. And the skies just opened up and it was a rocking and a rolling up there. Flashes of light, you know. It was, and the wind was picking up, pretty bad storm. I ended up calling it a day because by the time that it slowed down, it was too close to the time to pick my son up. So I ended up heading over and sitting in the parking lot where he works until he came out. And that's all I've done. Now I think I put in about 5 hours today total. Because I had my lunch for about an hour, not realizing it was going to storm. But today, even in 5 hours, I only made it $86.13. I had that one UBEREATS order that took me to Timbuktu. I said, oh, it's an upside down order, but it's not that bad. You know, I got so many miles to the Walmart. Boy, I miscalculated that completely. But it's a learning curve. It's a new area. I'm not used to working in that area. But it was something different. Tomorrow, I am probably only going to work in my local area. I've been all over southwestern Pennsylvania this past week. I am done doing that for right now. Until next week, I need a few days break. So anyhow, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you're new to the channel. And then I will see you in the next hustle.